Dear students, I am Prateek Bachwani, mathematics teacher of class 8, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. In this lecture, I am explaining you about pyramids and Euler's formula. So, what are pyramids? A pyramid is any three-dimensional solid where the upper surfaces are triangular and converge on one point. It has one base. A pyramid has one base. A pyramid is named according to the shape of its base. A pyramid is named according to the shape of its base. Here you can see first one. You can see the figure. First one is a triangular pyramid. According to the definition of a pyramid, it is a three-dimensional solid. Upper faces are triangular, all the side faces are triangular, and all the faces are converging at one point. The base is also a triangle. So, the base is a triangle, therefore the name is triangular pyramid. It consists of 4 vertices, 6 edges, and 4 faces. Next is rectangular pyramid. A rectangular pyramid has a rectangular base with all the 4 side faces as triangle. All the 4 side triangular faces meet at a common vertex at the top. A rectangular pyramid consists of 5 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 4 vertices at the bottom and 1 vertex at the top. 8 edges. Here you can see 8 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And it consists of 5 faces. One of the face is a rectangular face at the base, at the bottom, and side 4 faces are triangular. So total there are 5 faces. Next is pentagonal pyramid. Pentagonal pyramid, according to the name only, pentagonal means pentagon. The base is a pentagon. It means it consists of 5 sides. So 5 triangular faces are there which meets at a common vertex at the top. In all there are 5 triangular side faces and 1 base which is a pentagon. So there are 6 faces in all. There are 6 vertices, 5 vertices at the bottom and 1 vertex at the top. There are 10 edges. Next is a hexagonal pyramid. Hexagonal means hexagon. The base is a hexagon. Hexagon means 6-sided figure. 6 sides. It means there are 6 side triangular faces. In all there are 6 triangular faces along with 1 base which is a hexagon. So total there are 7 faces, 7 vertices, and there are 12 edges in a hexagonal pyramid. Next topic is Euler's rule. Euler's rule is F plus V equals to E plus 2. F faces, V vertices, E edges. So F plus V, faces plus vertices, is equal to edges plus 2. Euler's rule is applicable for all the solids with straight edges only. All the solids with straight edges. We can verify Euler's rule for that. Suppose a cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces, 6 vertices and 10 edges. Let's see how this Euler's rule will be verified. Left hand side F plus V. Faces 6, vertices 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Right hand side E plus 2. E means edges. Edges are 10 plus 2. So 10 plus 2 equals to 12. We can see that F plus V is 12. E plus 2 is also equals to 12. Therefore, Euler's rule is verified. As I told you that this rule is applicable for all the solids with straight edges only. This rule will not be applicable for a cone because a cone has a circular base. This rule is not applicable for a cylinder because a cylindrical has top and bottom face as a circle. It means it has a circular base and circular top. Therefore, this rule is not applicable for a cylinder also. Next is polyhedrons. Polyhedrons consist of cube, cuboid, pyramid and prism. It means all the solids with straight edges, they are considered as polyhedrons. They are known as polyhedrons. Non-polyhedrons means sphere, cone, cylinder. In a sphere, it is not made up of straight edges. A cone and a cylinder also is not made up of only and only straight edges. Thank you.